So locate to the location C drive, Windows, System 32, and we need to look for a folder group policy. So in our situation it is not there because this folder is a hidden folder. So make sure the hidden item box is checked. If you do that, you would be able to see, yeah, here is the main folder group policy. Inside group policy, locate to machine, and here is the registry.pol file. You can simply right click and delete this file. Always remember, whenever you are deleting these files, you need to do two tasks. First of all, open command prompt as an administrator, right click, run as an administrator, and run a group policy force. Meanwhile, our group policy is getting updated. The second task is go to services.msc, and we need to restart the SMS service, which is SMS agent host. Right click, stop, and we will start it again. Perfect. So whenever the next time the scan is being performed, a new registry.pol would be available inside the same C Windows System 32 folder for the group policy. Let me show it to you. System 32 group policy. Yeah. So as we have restarted the services and we performed a group policy uh, force on the machine, we have a new registry.pol. It just got discovered today, just a 1 minute ago. So that how you do the or you delete the registry.pol manually. So to delete the registry.pol file using command prompt and PowerShell, here is the script. So what the script will do is it will delete the registry.pol file and it will run a group policy slash force, which is required after we delete the registry.pol file. So let me open command prompt as an administrator. I will be pasting both of this command on the YouTube description. So it should be executed by now. Yes, we can see the file have been deleted. Let me run a group policy force right now. So this is how we can delete the file using command prompt. Once I will run the SMS agent host, we should have one more registry.pol file, the new one, which I can use to demonstrate how we can use PowerShell script to delete it. SMS agent host, right click, stop, and right click, start. So in the next few minutes we should have one more registry.pol file. So we have the new registry.pol file. Let me open PowerShell as an administrator. Always remember, we are going to use PowerShell script only to delete the registry.pol using the SCCM for mass deletion of this file. So this is our command. It will delete the file, and then we will run one more group policy slash force, which is a prerequisite to get the new registry.pol file. And yes, it is deleted. Now let me run group policy force. My bad, it is gpupdate slash force. So once the policy have been updated, we restarted the SMS agent host and we have a new registry.pol file. So this is the new one, a fresh one, not the corrupted one. So this is how we can do it using PowerShell and command prompt. Now let me switch to my SCCM server and I will show you how we can do the mass deletion from the SCCM server. So, to deploy and delete the registry.pol file using SCCM, we are going to use SCCM script option. We will go to software library. The last option we have is script. We will create a PowerShell script over here. So to create a script, right click, script option, create script. And then let me give it a name, registering, deleting registry.pol, PowerShell. Let's give a timeout for 60 seconds. That would be 1 minute. That is more than enough. And as I've said, we are going to use the same script which we have used to delete it using PowerShell, because that is already been tested by us. So the first command will delete the file. Second command will delete a group policy /force. We will put, no, sorry, we'll do next. The script is created. Right click and let's approve the script. Again, next. We have approved it. So now to delete it on a collection or on our machine. So in my scenario, I have my own GW1 machine. I'll do right click, run script. I will select my script and we'll do next. I don't want to schedule anything. I need the deployment to be done ASAP. So let's hit next. Let's go to summary. Everything looks good. Next, and it should be done within few seconds. So just an FYI information, whenever you are deleting the registry.pol file, it the scans will start getting improved. So you have to be a bit patient, because the next registry.pol file will come, the next scan will happen, and it will look for the updates. So I guess my script has been run successfully. So this is how you can do the deployment using the script option on SCCM. Thank you for watching. If there is any suggestions or any comments, please let me know. If I have made a mistake, I'm still a learner. And thank you for watching my video. Have a good day ahead, and if you like my content, please subscribe and like this video. Have a good day.